I'm going to just envision me back in the 1920s. In my last lifetime, I was a big black blues singer. Short, blonde, and then some. Just like you, except for mine have to be shoved up further than hers do now. Age is just a number and mine's unlisted, but I've been around and around and around and around and around the world in so many ways. So, okay, well, let's just start it, Darrell.
Love you, Irene.
I love you too, girl. That sounds way too sweet. Santa baby, just slip a sable under a tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down my chimney tonight. Yeah, baby. I said, Santa cutie, a 52 convertible to light blue. I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby, so hurry down my chimney tonight. I said, think of all the fun I missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. You know I could be oh so good. Check off my Christmas list. Santa cutie, I want a yacht, and really that's not a lot. Been an angel all year, Santa baby, so hurry down my chimney tonight. I said, Santa cutie, there's one thing that I really do need. The deed to a platinum mine, Santa cutie, so hurry down my chimney tonight. Come and trim my Christmas tree. Was some decorations bought at Tiffany. You know I do believe in you. Let's see if you believe in me. I said, Santa cutie, forgot to mention one little thing. A ring. I don't mean on the phone, Santa baby, so hurry down my chimney tonight. Oh yeah, I said, Santa baby, hurry down my chimney tonight.